Imagine this. It is Friday night. I just helped Nin with a project, with like a dance project, a video to edit. I got home to like 4 AM and I went to sleep. And it's Saturday, it's 8 AM or I don't know what the fuck the hour was, and then I woke up with my dad working on the house. Yeah, so after that I just checked my phone and I saw a new message from Yash. This guy. Yo, what are you doing tomorrow? And I replied with, hey there, nothing planned yet, what's up? And for a full hour he didn't say anything else and I went back to sleep. Yo, you wanna go to Singapore OnePlus gaming event? And I was sleeping while he messaged me, so he said, dude, you're going to miss out and regret later. Don't blame me, you need to fly literally tomorrow. What the? So after 2 or 3 phone calls, I was ready to go.
Okay, so I basically got in contact with the travel agency and they basically told me that the flight is today. Are you able to get it? And I'm like, yeah, of course I can get it. Like, it's okay, it's gonna be okay. The funny thing is that I sent the wrong... First time I replied to the wrong email. Then I realized 1 hour later that I had to send an email to another address to the company. Then I sent in the wrong flight that had like a 19 hours layover in Bucharest compared to the one that has 2 hours. And now I just sent the right one. I hope it's okay. I really hope it's okay. And I'm also watching the right side. I'm watching the right side very like at any second because I'm waiting for the email because that's where my screen is. I bought new gear for vlogs, but I'm not able to set up them right now, so we're gonna do that later. Should be fun. What do you think about this very random trip?
It's a very nice trip.
Yeah, I agree.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Have a nice trip.
I hope. Alright, since the check-in was done correctly and without any type of issues, it's time for the game plan. So as you might not have absolutely any idea about, I got new gear. I have a microphone now, I have a tracking module, everything should work now. It's gonna be weird, I don't know, just you can give me the feedback if you like it in the description. So yeah, the thing that we need to do now is apparently this first flight, I mean, it's a domestic flight, we already knew that. I mean, I already knew this, you had absolutely no clue. Maybe you don't even know who I am, so check my channel. But basically, I have a flight from Iași to Bucharest, which is a domestic flight. It's still Romania. That means I'll have to get my bag, like my bag that I just checked it in. I have to get it in Bucharest. I have to resubmit it. I now have to do the online check-in. And thankfully I have my tab with me, so I'm gonna be able to do it, or at least see if I can actually do it. I need to make sure everything works correctly. I need to make sure I can get the flight. And everything should be done in about 2 hours and 10 minutes if I don't have any type of delays. And this flight company that I'm going right now is well known for like delays, but in the other way around, so I should be good. But the most important part is that we need to have fun. I hope this is gonna be fun. Like, this airport is like very empty. As you can see, there's absolutely no one here, almost. And so hopefully everything goes according to the plan and we are able to catch the flight. And also, I guess I'm gonna review the flight, right?
I was able to do the check-ins for the other flight and then I just noticed this was the aircraft I was flying with.
What the fuck am I flying with?
Yeah, so Tarom, my Romanian flight company, is using an ATR-72 aircraft which was introduced in 27th of October 1989, and it was very cramped, the space was very small. At least we got some water on the board and the flight was very short, it was like 40 minutes, and then we started our decline to Bucharest, which is Romania's capital. Like, as you can see, I was barely even to like fit in it. Then I had to rush at the airport because I didn't have that much time. I saw the check-in was open, I submitted the bag, and then I had to film something.
Alright, so now we're in Bucharest. But I guess you know what that means, right? It's time for the game plan, part 2. I checked in my bag, but I haven't actually went through the security check-in, and my flight is in about 1 hour and like 2 minutes. I think it's the smart option to like do this later, so The game plan, part 3. Oh, I mean 2. Oh, fuck. The game plan, part 2. So as you might see behind me, it's currently boarding Dubai, and so we're gonna be there. We got it. Everything's okay. I got to my gate, and so we shall wait and we shall board. I have no idea how this content is gonna look because I don't have the space. I'm currently recording from a seat. But anyway, let's do this.
Guess what? It's a finally good plane. I mean, it was surely crowded. And Fly Dubai was supposed to have complimentary movies starting November 1st. And it was November 1st, for some reason it was still locked behind paywall. And some chairs were good, some chairs were not. And it wasn't that enjoyable. And also, the food tray is very, very like small. I know I'm like a big guy, but still, like, check this out. That's not okay. Thankfully, I talked with the flight crew and they gave me 3 full seats just for me so I could actually enjoy.
This is the bathroom. Very, very, very small. As you can see, you can barely fit here. I guess you have a lot of windows so you can admire yourself, but that's pretty much it.
Fly Dubai was also offering meals on board for the first time, complimentary, and the food was actually enjoyable. Like, it was actually very, very good, including the strawberry cake or raspberry cake or something. I actually enjoyed every single part of it. And at the end, we also got like another sandwich, a water bottle, some peas and nuts. And we finally started the decline to Dubai. This was so pretty. When I wanted to board off, and then I remember I talked with the flight crew about an interview, and let's get to it now.
I'm here with
Mohammed.
Mohammed. Well, my name is Razvan. Nice to meet you. So, what drove you to be a flight attendant? I'm really curious.
Actually, flight attendant is, I mean, for me, it's really the best job ever because you travel the world for free. You come to meet a lot of people like you today.
I agree that.
Yeah, and you're always in the air most of the time, but you also have that chance to meet a lot of people, travel around the world, and do the job that you like. Serve people, be attentive to other people, try to do your best always to make people happy, and that what makes me love this job.
Oh, that was a long answer. Thank you. So this was the first day that Fly Dubai had the entertainment system, like for complimentary and stuff. And as expected, some were a bit that were not working, but thanks to you and the crew, I managed to have my trip upgraded. So thank you a lot, and see you next.
Always try. This is the first day, but that was the first day. But of course, things need to improve, and we're here to look forward to make your travel much more comfortable. Slowly, but surely.
Okay, thank you. I'll have a bus to catch, so sorry.
So much. All right, no problem. Pleasure.
Mohammed was such a nice guy. Then I went to the bus, I went to the airport, I had to check when is my next flight. And after that we had time to kill, so we just explored the Dubai Terminal 3 airport. It was very, very beautiful.
So I'm right now in Dubai, so I don't look tired at all. I wasn't able to sleep on the flight just because I watched some movies, and for some reason my whole sleep schedule is absolutely upside down and inside up. This is gonna be okay since I'm gonna have a 7-hour and a 30 minutes flight all the way to Singapore, and so that means I can finally enjoy sleeping. In terms of my booking, I was able to go to the Emirates check-in office, I guess, from inside the airport, so this was not the check-in area, and I just told them my situation, the fact that I did have a check-in but I didn't have a seat or a boarding pass. I have a very good seat with extra leg room in the middle, and it's like this plane is like 3-4-3 layout, and I'm basically in the middle on the edge on the first row, which is basically good. And this is Emirates, and a lot of people told me a lot of good stuff about it, so I'm very curious exactly how it's gonna be. Right now we're at McDonald's. I got my order. I'm waiting for my order.
They had 2 sizes for the drink and like potato fries, but I got the biggest one, but I was not expecting 1 liter of juice. It was 9 and 10. The boarding was almost starting, so I had to rush to the gate. Thankfully it was very close, as you can see. boarding has started and I was finally able to get to the plane, and then there was another waiting part which took about like 30 minutes. But thankfully in the end we were able to go to the plane. I was actually having high expectations because everyone told me Emirates is very good. Unfortunately it wasn't that good. The chair was okay, but the thing is it had plastic on the right and left side, so and my legs are like bigger, so it wasn't that comfortable. We also got like a menu. We could just see exactly what I wanted to have. And then I went to the bathroom. I had to check it, and I actually like it. Like I actually like it. Was full of stuff. The toilet was made from wood. It was spacious. Except the food tray, which I guess food trays hate me compared to like a normal seat. This is so bad. We also got some peas, we also got some chocolate and 2 bottles of water. I wasn't able to record how was the food I got just because it was very cramped, but I managed to get a snack which had a sandwich, like a brisket sandwich. We also got a muffin, some mango juice. It was very good. And I slept for like 70% of the flight.
I'm currently in my Emirates flight and it's gonna be about 35 minutes until we land. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record that much because I was very tired and I tried to sleep the whole time, and I actually managed to get some sleep, which was very good. Other than that, the Emirates experience was unique. The seat that I have is like very spacious. The only one disadvantage is the fact that I don't really have a place to put my backpack. Like I can't keep it like near me because it's like a seat with extra legroom, and that comes with disadvantages, unfortunately. And other than that, the bathrooms are like very impressive. Like the space, the amount of space that you have in this type of bathrooms is huge. And I don't remember when was the last time I saw wood in an actual bathroom. It comes with a lot of extras. So yeah, this is like a premium economy experience, which is very nice in my opinion. So yeah, now we're gonna wait to land, and then we're gonna thankfully find our baggage, and after that find out if someone can pick us up and get us to that dinner.
We finally arrived in Singapore. The airport was very nice. The floor was like carpet or like foam or whatever this is. We went to the immigration desk, the Terminal 1 arrival part. It wasn't that crowded, but the baggage pickup part was so nice. Like they had such cool systems. Of course, excluding the plants that you can see. Then I waited for my bag. It eventually arrived, so we had to go and exit the airport now. Let's see the driver.
Hello. You see, it says OnePlus, right? Hello.
I then got into the car, put my baggage in the back. It had such cool ambient lights. Like as I can see, it has RGB bands all over the place. The road all the way to the hotel was about 40 minutes-ish. Then I got to Pullman, but guess what? There are 2 Pullman hotels in Singapore, and I got to the wrong one. The driver was almost about to leave, but finally we got to the white one, we got the card, and now let's check my first impression of the room. Wow. Okay, that's nice. Wow. Alright, now let me give you the tour. So I have the entrance, pretty much normal, right? Okay, then we have 2 back rows, some places where you can store stuff. This is I believe this is Nespresso. Yeah, this is Nespresso. With a lot of ooh. Okay, fancy. And okay, so I can make different stuff. Nice. No smoking and durian sign. Okay, the durian one is very interesting. This I guess is a fridge, right? Yeah, I think. Oh, yeah, it's a fridge. There's some like stuff here, which I'm gonna check, but I guess this is like laundry stuff. Then we have this nice mirror, which has, lights. Okay, you can change them. You have this thing. This is the shower. Pretty much spacious if you ask me. And this is the place where I'm not gonna stay that much, because I'm not gonna eat spicy food this time. Then we have these. I guess this is like a door to the other room. Then there's this huge bed, which I guess fits like 3 people, so it's perfect for me. I have a clock, a lot of nice lights, phone, and let's see the view, if I have one. Oh, so this is like a multiple thing. Okay. So I do in fact have a view. Wait, let me actually turn the lights off. Okay, let's now check the view. Okay, well, this is the best light that I have right now. It's pretty much deep, and this is the view. So yeah, it's gonna look way better in the day. Right now it looks weird. Wait, let me try something. Okay, now I'm doing night video, so now stuff can be actually seen. So yeah, I guess it's a very good view. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Since I arrived late, I noticed I could order room service, and oh yeah, I wanted to do that, but first I had to see Yash. And guess what? I was not the only one going to his room. Oh, you actually went to this room? Yeah.
Yes.
FBI, open up.
It's fine, you can ignore it. You guys can come, please.
Oh, it's on the napkin.
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye. What are you doing?
I can't connect to the internet.
Oh, really? Come on forward a bit. Stay there.
Okay.
Show your palm. This red thing is gonna turn green. Did it do the turn? It
Oh,
did.
it did.
And now, just move.
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah.
It's cool.
And
So
I'll-
it just basically tracks you. Wherever
Yeah.
you move, it moves with you.
Yeah. So basically, this thing is made for human trafficking.
Traffic.
Okay.
It's made for human trafficking?
Human tracking. Oh, you can only track people with this. But with the software that this thing has, you can track basically anything.
Animals?
And it's exactly, but it works very shit on Android. I'm back in my room now. I visited Yash, and unfortunately we can't stay for too long because tomorrow we have to wake up early. And my messed up sleep schedule will need to be repaired somehow with 6 hours of sleep for tonight. Unfortunately I wasn't able to attend to the dinner, but Yash told me that I can just order room service and OnePlus will pay for this or whatever. So I just nuked their money, basically. I'm just waiting for the meal. When I said I nuked their money, I mean I ordered 80 bucks of food to my room, so yeah, it was quite enjoyable. I also noticed there's a light that I can turn, so it looks nice. And then I just started watching some Stranger Things because there was a new season coming, and that's pretty much the first day. Stay tuned for tomorrow.